So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can measure the distance on Google Maps application in your smartphone. So all you have to do is to open the Google Maps application in your smartphone and press and hold any point from which you have to measure the distance from somewhere. Like if I press and hold there, you can see location has been pinned. Now to measure the distance from here to anywhere, I need to simply open this and you can see an option of measure distance right there. Just simply click on this and a measuring guide will open right in front of you, where you can measure the distance from where you want to. You can simply add the points as well if you want to turn something, or you can simply use this tool to measure some large distances as well. So you can use this to measure any of the distance you want to measure. You can use various checkpoints to save the location as well. So that's a very interesting and quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.